there is a Mycenaean bridge called the Arkadiko Bridge, which is also called the Kazarma Bridge. It is near the current road that goes from Tiryns to Epidaurus in Argolis on the Greek island of Peloponnese. This arch bridge dates back to the Greek Bronze Age and is still in operation today, making it one of the oldest of its kind. The bridge is 22 meters in length, 5.60 meters in width at the base, and 4 meters in height. It has a roadway width of approximately 2.5 meters and bridges a culvert that is 1 meter in depth.
This is the Sundeep Show.
A culvert is an engineered passage for water to flow underneath an obstruction or into an underground drainage system. A culvert is usually immersed such that it is encircled by dirt, but it can also be composed of reinforced concrete, pipes, or other materials. The bridge was built during the Mycenaean phase in a characteristic Cyclopean style that was contemporary to the late Helladic phase, which lasted from approximately 1300 BC to 1190 BC. It was situated alongside Epidaurus and the two settlements of Tiryns as part of a military thoroughfare that was an integral component of the Hellenic road network. The intricate design of the bridge and the way the route is laid out suggest that chariots were using it. The Arkadiko Bridge is not only Europe's oldest bridge, but it is also thought to be one of the oldest in the world. It is still crossable now and serves as an ancient artifact displaying early Greek construction. The Cyclopean style of masonry may be seen in Mycenaean construction. It is characterized by the use of enormous boulders of limestone that are coarsely fitted together with minimum clearance between adjacent stones, and either the use of clay mortar or the absence of mortar altogether. While the boulders generally appear undisturbed, certain ones might have been subjected to harsh hammer work, which resulted in the filling of the spaces between them with smaller limestone fragments. The walls of Mycenae and Tiryns contain some of the most well-known instances of Cyclopean masonry, and the style was typical of Mycenaean defenses. Classical Greeks believed that only the legendary Cyclopes possessed the power to move the immense boulders comprising the walls of Mycenae and Tiryns, hence the origin of the term. The ancient Greeks most likely utilized earthen or mud brick ramps to support huge stone blocks used in major construction. It is believed that the hoisting apparatuses resemble those utilized by the Assyrians and ancient Egyptians many years before. The Corinthians, renowned for their expertise in shipbuilding, might have employed the same frameworks they employed to support boats and lower sarcophagi into crypts in order to elevate the construction stones, because they did not employ winches to lift the stone blocks. Those frameworks cannot be considered cranes in the strictest sense. The Arkadiko Bridge was built during the 13th century BC, making it one of the oldest arch bridges in the world.
You're listening to the Sundeep Show.
While it might not have a direct influence on contemporary bridge design, it does offer several insights and lessons that are valuable in understanding how modern bridges are constructed and maintained. Historically speaking, the Arkadiko Bridge was a turning point in the evolution of bridge engineering. It demonstrates that complex techniques for building bridges were used in ancient times, with the emphasis being placed on longevity and stability. The bridge utilizes an early type of arch design known as a corbel arch, which can be found in its architecture. A comprehension of this antiquated bridge enables modern engineers to gain an appreciation for the progression of arch bridge technology and design. The Arkadiko Bridge was built of limestone blocks. Although contemporary bridges frequently employ alternative materials like steel and concrete, the ancient bridge served as a testament to the significance of selecting materials that are resistant to environmental conditions and the passage of time. The fact that the bridge has been able to withstand the weight of traffic consisting of both people and animals for such a significant amount of time demonstrates how essential it is for bridge designers to have an understanding of load-bearing capacity. Contemporary engineers leverage sophisticated modeling and simulation methodologies to ascertain the load-bearing capacity of a bridge. The continued existence of the Arkadiko Bridge further underscores the importance of diligent maintenance and preservation initiatives for bridges. Such insights into the maintenance of bridges over the course of centuries are crucial for modern engineers and preservationists to comprehend. The Arkadiko Bridge is both a source of inspiration and a reminder that the study of ancient structures can lead to the discovery of novel solutions. The Arkadiko Bridge is a reminder that sometimes the best ideas come from looking to the past for guidance. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Sundeep August. This is the Sundeep August Show. The Arkadiko Bridge is not a direct template for modern bridge building, but it is an important historical artifact that sheds light on the history of bridge engineering, materials, and construction procedures. Through the examination of these antiquated edifices, engineers acquire a more profound comprehension of the fundamental principles that underpin the resilience and lifespan of bridges. This knowledge has the potential to guide and motivate contemporary bridge design and maintenance methodologies. Thank you.
This is the Sundeep Show.